So I think it always comes down to customer service. Look, you can be at the most beautiful place in the world and the best facilities, but if you have a real jerk who is not there to serve, you're going to be frustrated. And the reality is that you can be at the worst place in the world, but if you have someone who's all about customer service, it makes it absolutely enjoyable. Look, I'm here right now on a rooftop. It is amazing. It is in Beverly Hills, and I'm so impressed with the service at this particular hotel. It's the little things. It's remembering the first name. It's remembering the last name. It's sending up an extra treat for the kids with a handwritten note. I mean, all these things are essentially almost free, and yet those were the little things that we remember more than anything else. So be encouraged. Look, if you are a business owner, if you have something that you are selling, a product or a service, what you can do that will stick you above everybody else is the customer service experience. And many times it's absolutely free. It could be handwritten notes, it could be remembering people's names, or it could be something that, like I believe DoubleTree does. It's a chocolate chip cookie that costs probably 99 cents, but it puts them on the map. It's a talk trigger that creates a memorable experience and a cult following. This is Kary Oberbrunner. Be a soul on fire and enjoy your day. Try to be an outlier through creative thinking.